How to change Shopify URL and store name. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your Shopify store URL and the store name. This is my Shopify dashboard, and then you can go ahead to the settings in the bottom left corner here. After that, you will be in this dashboard, in the general dashboard, and you will find your store name and then the URL, this one. And also, this is the store contact. You can just click on it. And now, this is my store name. You can change whatever you want. So maybe tutorials with Sena. And then you can just click save. And it has been changed in the store name, in the contact details also. Now, we want to change the URL. You can go to domain here, this one. And as you can see, this is my Shopify URL. Now you can just, add a new domain if you already have it, or you can change it. So let's say I want to change it first. So you can click change my shopify.com domain. And then as you can see, this is a one-time change, this is a one-time change and can be undone. So after you type your Shopify domain, you can be change it again unless you buy a new domain. So let's say I want to change, I want to type tutorials with Sena. Click. It's not available. Okay, YouTube and add domain here. And it's done. So this is my primary URL. Now you can also add a new domain. You can maybe if you want to have domain like tutorialwithsena.com or .store, whatever. But I already put the link so you can have a discount and free SSL. This one, so you can click the link on my description. And then now you can just search your domain here. You can maybe tutorials with Sena and search it. And you will find your domain here. As you can see, tutorialwithsena.com is available. You can just click continue and you can, continue by it. After you bought your domain, you can just click connect existing domain here. You can click transfer domain and then you can type your domain and then just click next and follow the instruction. So I think that's it, how to change Shopify URL and store name. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.